Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to BZB Design, where we take you on a journey through the most fascinating design trends. Today, we are diving headfirst into the mesmerizing world of Y2K design. Get ready to relive the magic of millennium with us. The late 90s and early 20s, the era of Y2K, a time when the world was filled with optimism, tech breakthroughs, and unforgettable style. It's all about vibrant colors, funky fonts, and an unwavering love for both the past and the future. Now, let's deconstruct Y2K design. It's like a fusion of retro and futuristic, where bold typography, digital aesthetics, and unconventional layouts take center stage. Creating Y2K-inspired designs is an adventure in nostalgia. Follow these steps to craft your very own Y2K masterpiece. Step first, it's all about research and immersion. Dive into the Y2K universe, folks. Explore everything from old school magazines to the coolest music videos. Look for vibrant colors, funky fonts, and those unmistakable digital vibes that will scream Y2K. Step 2. Time to choose your bold color palette. Think neon pinks, electric blues, and zesty yellows. Don't hold back. Let your creativity run wild with some unexpected color choices. Step 3. Futuristic typography. Dive into the font pool and grab ones that shout future. Look for those loopy, geometric, or pixelated fonts. Think Impact, Bauhaus 93, or the iconic Chicago. Step 4. Futuristic graphic elements. Add that Y2K punch. Incorporate pixelated graphics, abstract shapes, and tech-inspired icons. We are taking CD-ROMs, retro computers, the whole digital shebang. Step 5. Playful layout and composition. Break the rules with flair. Y2K design loves to play with asymmetry, overlap elements, and defy tradition. Go ahead and experiment with unconventional arrangements and layering. Step 6. Embrace digital effects. Let's add that authentic Y2K vibe, apply glitches, pixelation, and distortion to text, images, or backgrounds. It's all about that technological nostalgia. Step 7. Bold patterns and textures. Time to get bold with your designs. Consider retro-inspired patterns like checkerboards, gradients, or metallic textures. Elevate your Y2K game. Step 8. Retro-futuristic fusion. Let's balance these scales. Mix vintage imagery with digital aesthetics, capturing that Y2K spirit, looking back while moving forward. Behold the magic of Y2K design. It's not just visuals, it's a journey back in time to an era of optimism and tech dreams. The colors, fonts, and digital vibes are irresistible. Remember, don't be afraid to experiment and iterate. Y2K design can adapt to various mediums, and it's all about embracing the spirit of the era. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the captivating world of Y2K design and let your creativity run wild. Share your Y2K inspired designs with us, and who knows, you might just be featured in our next video. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things design. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing, and remember, the future is as bright as your design.